I receive my prayer and take breakfast. And after taking breakfast, I go to my digital marketing class. The class runs for 2 hours. The class break up at 12 p.m. At 12:30 p.m., I come back home. I take my lunch at 1 p.m. Then I take to rest for 2 hours. At 3 p.m. I go to my another class. After attending two class, I come back home at 5 p.m.
Good.
Then I take some light food. At 6 p.m. I attend my online class. After 1 hour, I practice my lessons. Then I eat my dinner. I dinner at 11 p.m. I dinner at 11 p.m. I watch mobile for 1 hour. Then I go to bed. That's all. Thank you.
Hope you all are fine. I'm really looking up. I'm very much. Give me a chance more introduce daily life. Well, my name is Sairam Tamin. So I once wake up early morning and to dress my teeth and other.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Right, next.
So 9 p.m. at go to my college and all class attend me 4 yeah 2 p.m. Last evening lunch.
I eat lunch at
I
2 p.m.
I eat lunch at 2 p.m. And other go to my home, back to my home, and 3 p.m. and my attend my English class and for go to bed my home and 5 p.m. and to lunch to breakfast snacks.
I take afternoon snacks.
I take after snacks.
Afternoon snacks.
Afternoon snacks and other times mobile social media.
Fine. Spend time on social media.
Spend time on social media and other works and 11 p.m. and my wake up to get
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Hope you're all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm pretty well. First of all, thanks to my honorable teacher for this to give me a chance to describe my daily life in front of my friends, my brother and my sister. So at first, every day, at first, I wake up at 10 a.m. Basically, and when I have classes, I wake up at 7 a.m. in general. Then I take my breakfast and ready, and I get ready I get ready to go my office. And after going office, I start my work, daily work in my office, and at 2 p.m. I take lunch. I take lunch at office. At 5 p.m. I get so office থেকে বার হয়ে গেছি office থেকে বার হয়ে গেছি
Obviously.
বের হওয়া
I get out of my office.
at 4:30 p.m. I get out from office and go to my home. After go to home, I get refreshed. I refresh myself and take rest for 1 hour. Then I sit in front of my computer and স্যার তারপর হচ্ছে একটা জিনিস পাচ্ছি না মানে international marketplace কাজ শুরু করি।
I start working on the Indian marketplace. I start working on the Indian
And
marketplace.
then I start working in international marketplace. Then I communicate with my clients, like buyers, and I posted in my social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And I check my favorite accounts and upload accounts. So at 12 a.m., 12 a.m. I need to sleep.
Yeah.
So that's about my daily life.
That's all.
Thank you.